Hey there, AJ here with ᴛᴇᴅᴏ Organics. This one's about seeding your French breakfast radishes. Come with me and I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that like, comment down below, share your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button. Turn those the notifications on so you don't miss any more. See you guys in a bit. Well, I already got the dirt all together. You want your nice soft material dirt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it all the way around here and right here. So you kind of want to do this kind of thing, fingers. You can put 2 to 3 together. Make sure you're not clogging the paper. Then you just want to do this. Cover it up like that. Next, do the other side. It is fall time in Washington, so you want to put these guys in a nice stain of sun. They take about 20 to 40 days to grow. And boy, do they grow. So we'll do it this side. Now I'm doing it with just the hand. Now the middle part. Now I go and get some softer material up here, right? There we go. Some top layer stuff to protect it. And like that. And that's how you seed your breakfast radishes, your French breakfast radishes. I'll show you what they look like on another pot. See you guys in a bit. So in another pot I have some already, there's my finger, already got some growing and they're doing pretty good. Got a little guy there that's still growing. This guy is almost completely done. So hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoy making it. I will do an update video to see how these guys are growing. So don't forget to hit that like, comment down below. Have you grown these yourself? Do you have a method of yourself to how to grow? Share your thoughts. Subscribe to my channel for more growing tips. I'm AJ, ᴛᴇᴅᴏ Organics.